Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about cell diseases, cancer, and mutation. But first, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Bill Benedical Mapagal.
Hi, I'm Fatima Bantaya from the grade 11 St. Pat.
Hi, I'm Mariana Lynn Pineda.
Hello everyone, I'm Dian Carlo.
And lastly, I'm Jerome Francisco.
In this video, we will talk about cancer. But firstly, what is cancer? And in this video, we will answer your questions like how does mutation and cancer start? How cancer and mutation spread? What causes cancer and mutations? Then lastly, how is cancer treated?
Cancer. Cancer is a disease in which some of the body's cells grow uncontrollably and spread to other parts of the body. Cancer can start almost anywhere in the human body, which made up of trillions of cells. Normally, human cells grow and multiply, or through a process of cell division, to form new cells as the body needs them. When cells grow old or become damaged, they die, and new cell takes their place. Sometimes, this orderly process breaks down, and abnormal or damaged cells grow and multiply when they should not. These cells may form tumors, which are lumps of tissues. Tumors can be cancerous or not cancerous in beginning. Cancerous tumors spread into or invade nearby tissues and can travel to distant places into the body to form new tumors, or a process called metastasis. Cancerous tumors may also be called malignant tumor. Many cancers form solid tumors, but cancers of the blood, such as leukemia, generally do not. Beginning tumors do not spread into or invade nearby tissues. When removed, beginning tumors usually don't grow back, whereas cancerous tumors sometimes do. Beginning tumors can sometimes be quite large. However, some can cause serious symptoms of be life-threatening, such as beginning tumors in the brain.
Mutation. Mutation is a change in a DNA sequence. Mutation can result from DNA copying mistakes made during cell division, exposure to ionizing radiation, exposure to chemicals called mutagens, or infections by viruses. Germline mutations occur in the eggs and sperm and can be passed from to offspring, while somatic mutations occur in the body cells and are not passed on.
How does mutation start? Mutations can occur by chance when a cell divides. They can also be caused by biological processes within the cell. Furthermore, some people can inherit flaws in specific genes that make them more likely to develop cancer. A mutation occurs when a DNA gene is damaged or changed in such a way as to alter the genetic message carried by that gene. While a mutagen is an agent of a substance that can bring about a permanent alteration to the physical composition of a DNA gene, such that the genetic message is changed.
Cancer occurs when the body's normal control mechanism fails. Old cells do not die. Instead, they proliferate uncontrollably, resulting in the formation of new abnormal cells. These extra cells can combine to form a mass of tissue known as tumor.
If a person has an error in a DNA repair gene, mistakes remain uncorrected. Then, the mistakes become mutations. These mutations may eventually lead to cancer, particularly mutations in tumor suppressor genes or oncogenes.
Mutations in DNA repair genes may be inherited or acquired. When cancer spreads, it's called metastasis. In metastasis, cancer cells break away from where they first formed, traveling to the blood or lymph system, and forming new tumors in other parts of the body. Cancer can spread to almost anywhere in the body, but it commonly moves into your bones, liver, or lungs.
How does cancer spread? As a tumor gets bigger, Cancer cells can spread to surrounding tissues and structures by pushing on normal tissue beside the tumor. Cancer cells also make enzymes that break down normal cells and tissues as they grow.
Cancer that grows into nearby tissues called local invasion or invasive cancer mutation in genes can cause cancer by accelerating cell division rates or inhibiting normal controls on the system, such as cell cycle arrest or programmed cell death. As a mass of cancerous cell grows, it can develop into a tumor.
What causes cancer and mutations? Cancer is caused by changes mutations to the DNA within cells. The DNA inside the cell is packaged into a large number of individual genes, each of which contain a set of instructions telling the cell what functions to perform, as well as how to grow and divide. Mutations can result from DNA copying mistakes made during cell division, exposure to ionizing radiation, exposure to chemicals called mutagens, or infection by viruses. Mutations result either from accidents during the normal chemical transactions of DNA, often during replication, or from exposure to high-energy electromagnetic radiation, e.g., ultraviolet light or X-rays, or particle radiation, or to highly reactive chemicals in the environment.
So, how is cancer treated? If you have cancer, your doctor will recommend one or more ways to treat the disease. The most common treatments are surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation. Other options include targeted therapy, immunotherapy, laser, hormonal therapy, and the others. Here is an overview of the different treatments for cancer and how they work.
Surgery. Surgery is a common treatment for many types of cancer. During the operation, the surgeon takes out the mass of cancerous cells or tumor and some of the nerve tissue. Sometimes, surgery is done to relieve side effects caused by a tumor. Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy refers to drugs used to kill cancer cells. Drugs may be given by mouth or into a blood vessel. Different types of drugs may be given together at the same time or one after the other.
Radiation. Radiation therapy uses X-rays, particles, or radioactive cells to kill cancer cells. Cancer cell growth and divided faster than normal cells in the body. Because radiation is most harmful to quickly growing cells, radiation therapy damages cancer cells more than normal cells. This prevents the cancer cells from growing and dividing and lead to cell death. External beam. This is the most common form. It aims X-rays or particles at the tumor from outside the body. Internal beam. This forms deliver radiation inside your body. It may be given by radioactive seeds placed into your near the tumor, a liquid or pill that you swallow, or through a vein.